So I am right now above 4,000 feet above sea level. Good morning, everyone, or should I say good morning from beautiful Lake Placid. My name is Nimantrata, and if you've been following along, you'll know I've been on a fantastic 2 day getaway here in upstate New York. Today is the last day I head back home to New Jersey, but not before one last epic adventure. I'm currently enjoying my final breakfast here at amazing Whiteface Lodge, and let me tell you guys, it's been the perfect base for this trip. After I finish up with these delicious bites, I'll be checking out and saying my goodbyes to this wonderful spot. A huge shout out to the incredible staff here at Whiteface Lodge. They've been so helpful, even assisting us with our luggage as we check out. It truly makes a difference. But the real highlight for the day, the grand finale of my Lake Placid vacation, is a trip up to the summit of Whiteface Mountain. I can't wait to share those incredible views with all of you. So stick around as we conquer Whiteface and then back on the road to NJ. Let's make this day an unforgettable one. Alright, bags are loaded. Checkout from this beautiful Whiteface Lodge is done, and we are on our way to Whiteface Mountain Summit. Just look at this drive. It's already so beautiful, winding through these stunning Adirondack Mountains. Every turn brings a new vista, and the air just feels so crisp and fresh up here. It's truly a scenic journey even before we hit the actual highway up the mountain. We've arrived at the entrance of the Veterans Memorial Highway. Quick info for anyone planning to visit: there's a toll to the drive up. It is $45 per car, but it is totally worth it for the experience though. And now the real ascent begins. We are on the Whiteface Veterans Memorial Highway, a truly remarkable piece of engineering. It's about 5 miles of winding road climbing over 2,300 feet. You can feel the elevation gain as we go higher and higher. They say the last 5 kilometers of this road can be a bit exciting. It gets pretty steep with some sharp turns. Definitely requires focused driving, but the views you get in return are absolutely breathtaking. You can start to see why this is called the Mountain of the Gods. And just like that, we've made it to the parking area at the summit. You can already feel the difference in the air up here. We are right near what they call the castle, a historic stone building that serves as our gateway to the very top. What a drive! Now from here we have a couple of options to reach the true summit, and I can already tell the views are going to be incredible. Stay tuned because the best is yet to come. We are here. We have made it to the Whiteface Mountain Summit parking area. And you guys, the views are just insane. I am completely awestruck. At about 4,600 feet elevation, there's this incredibly surreal feel up here. The air is so crisp, the silence profound, and you truly feel almost at the top of the world. The sheer vastness is incredible. Endless Adirondack ranges stretching out, and you can look down and see the entire region where we stayed, all laid out like a map. Beyond the mountains, numerous sparkling lakes are scattered like jewels across the landscape below, glinting in the sunshine as far as eye can go. On a clear day, you can even spot parts of Vermont and Canada. It's utterly humbling and puts everything into perspective. And right behind me is the castle, this incredible historic stone structure that's our gateway to the very top. From here, we have two options to reach the true summit: a short, steep trail walk or a super cool and elevator built inside the mountain. Yes, an elevator right through the solid granite. Alright, next up, the final ascent to the absolute summit. Which way should we go, trail or the elevator? You have to wait and see. Let's go! Oh my god, let me tell you, the wind up here is no joke. You can probably see my hair just absolutely going wild, flying in every direction. It's a constant battle to keep it out of my face, but honestly, it is part of all the experience. The wind here is so powerful, it feels like it could lift you right off your feet. But it just adds to the dramatic atmosphere of this place. And speaking of dramatic, let's talk about these views. Oh my god, they're simply breathtaking. From up here, the magnificent castle adds to the panoramic vista. Its ancient beauty perfectly complements wild expanse of the Adirondack Mountains. You can see for miles with lush green forests stretching out and shimmering lakes nestled among the peaks under a vibrant blue sky. It's a view that inspires awe and a feeling of boundless freedom. I am just trying to take it all in, the fresh, crisp air, the roar of the wind, and this unbelievable scenery. It's moments like these that remind you how incredible our world is. So, to reach this peak, you have choices. There's a quarter mile of stairs leading right up to the summit. The views from there are absolutely mind boggling. But fair warning, if you have vertigo or health issues, skip them. It can feel a little risky. Instead, take the elevator straight to the summit from inside the mountain. It's safer and you still get to experience those incredible top of the world views. So today we decided to take the elevator up to the summit, not because of any health issues, but honestly with those winds, it just felt like the safer and more comfortable option. Stepping into the mountain, the first thing you will notice is how incredibly cold the tunnel is, quite a contrast to the fierce winds outside. This isn't just any tunnel, it's a remarkable feat of engineering. Carved right into the solid rock of Whiteface Mountain, this tunnel is essentially a massive, smooth passage leading deep into the mountain's core. You can see the rock walls, and it's clearly the sheer effort it took to blast and excavate this pathway. It's truly impressive, feeling both ancient and incredibly modern at the same time. And then there's the elevator itself, which goes straight up to the summit. It's a surprisingly quick and smooth ride. You just step in, the doors close, and boom! You're ascending hundreds of feet into what feels like moments. It's a unique experience traveling upward through the heart of the mountain, and then suddenly the doors open and you're greeted with that incredible panoramic view right there at the castle's peak. It's definitely the easiest way to experience the very top of Whiteface Mountain. We've officially made it to the very summit of Whiteface Mountain, thanks to that incredible smooth elevator ride popping out right here, next to this magnificent castle. Now, before I show you these views, let me just pan you over here. See those? Those are the stairs I was telling you about earlier. This is the quarter mile trick you could take if you hiked up here. Just imagine the burn in your quads and the wind whipping around as you climb each step. You can already tell from here that the views from these stairs would be absolutely breathtaking, cutting right through the rock face. It's an epic climb, and maybe next time we'll brave it. But today we took the easy and safer way up. Alright everyone, that wraps our incredible journey to the summit of Whiteface Mountain. What an absolutely breathtaking final stop on our 2-day adventure in the Lake Placid region. These past 2 days have been packed with unforgettable sights and experiences. We had such a fantastic time exploring the beautiful lakes of Lake Placid surrounded by those stunning mountains. And then, the Ausable Chasm, walking through those dramatic rock formations and feeling the power of river. Then the cascading beauty of High Fall Gorge was simply mesmerizing. And now standing here at the summit of Whiteface Mountain, taking in those panoramic views, it's truly the perfect way to end this trip. Every single stop has been so unique and awe-inspiring, showcasing the incredible beauty and adventure that this part of New York has to offer. If you missed any of our adventure in Lake Placid, make sure you go back and watch all the previous videos right here on the channel. We explored so much and I don't want you to miss a thing. Thank you all so much for joining me on this mini vacation. Your support and comments always mean the world to me. Thank you for watching and for subscribing. It's time for me to head back to New Jersey. I hope this vlog has inspired you to maybe plan your own trip to this amazing region. Until our next adventure, take care and bye for now.